How to use Uber app. So if you want to use Uber app, then first you need to open up your Uber application, or first you need to install the application. So make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Uber app is a fantastic alternative to taxis. It's quick and easy to download and you'll be up and running in no time. So if you haven't already downloaded, then you can go for your App Store and grab the Uber app. Once you've downloaded, open it up and let's get started. Tap on continue, which is on the bottom of your screen, to begin. You can sign up with your mobile number, Apple account, Facebook, Google, or email. Choose the option that suits you best and complete the sign up process. You may need to verify your email or phone number, and next you need to enter the name and accept the Uber's terms and conditions. Then familiarize yourself with the app's layout. You will find the options for rides, food delivery services like car, hire, and more. The activity section keeps track of your bookings, while the account tab holds your wallet messages and settings. Now let's plan a trip. You need to go for the map, drag the map, and choose your pickup location. Then confirm it, select your destination, either by scrolling through the map or typing it. In the app, it offers various ride options from standard to Excel, and even specialized services like Uber Pet and Uber Assist. Choose your preferred ride, review the payment method, and confirm your booking. Within minutes, your journey will be booked and a driver will be on their way. It's that simple. And the Uber app offers a seamless experience, allowing you to book rides quickly and affordably. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.